Welcome back. Today I'm cooking some BBQ Glazed Salmon. This is just something that I kind of thought up myself, and then I Googled it. I know there's like a bunch of recipes out there, but this one's mine, and this is how I'm gonna do it. And I feel like this one will be gooder than a mug. This is the first time this is an exclusive dish, and you are getting the exclusive recipe. A lot of y'all like to cook salmon and you get the same mundane, boring ass salmon where you wrap it up in foil, throw whatever seasoning you're gonna put on there and some lemon, and then it always tastes the same every time. I don't care what seasoning you put on it. I hate that. And I cook my salmon probably about 5 or 6, maybe more different ways. And neither one of them involves foil. Forget that. I don't need no foil to cook your salmon. You don't need foil to cook salmon. So I'm going to show you a delicious, easy recipe. So let's get to it. Let's get busy. We're going to start out seasoning our salmon with a dash of olive oil. We're going to smack it, flip it, rub it down. Oh no. Then of course we got to season it. You can use any store-bought barbecue seasoning if you want. Of course, you know me, I make my own. And this has a blend of chili powder, paprika, chipotle chili pepper, cumin, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and a dash of lemon pepper and ground mustard. Make sure you coat your salmon on all sides. Get it nice and seasoned, because we want the flavor to just run all off up through there. Alright, go ahead and melt your butter down in a hot pan. We want that pan over about medium heat, because you don't want to overcook your salmon. You don't want it to cook too fast. Yes. And with a little finesse, lay that salmon in that pan. And we're going to let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. What we want here is a nice color to the salmon and a nice crust. Here we go. Yes, look at that beautiful crust right there. Dark brown coated crust on that salmon. We're going to flip it, let it cook to 1 to 2 minutes more. Then we'll pop it in the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And this next part is heaven.